प्रोग्रामों में और विस्तार दिया जा सकता है, इसको लेकर बातचीत हो सकती है। हम जानते हैं कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर कई ऐसे मुद्दे हैं, कई ऐसी चुनौतियां हैं जिसमें भारत और फ्रांस समान विचार रखते हैं, चाहे वो आतंकवाद के खिलाफ।
Right, Shailendra, hold your thoughts. Prime Minister Narendra Modi deboarding from Air India One for the bilateral component of his visit to France. He will soon be meeting the President of France, Emmanuel Macron. And after that, we'll see how key agreements will be signed between India and France, and there will be press statements that will be issued. Before that, delegation level talks also will take place between India and France. Tomorrow would be Prime Minister's second day in France, where the Prime Minister will be meeting with the Prime Minister of France, and he will be addressing the Indian community in France. There is a sizable Indian community there of over 1 lakh people who reside there. There is already an increase in the number of visa applications from India as well. There's an increase in the number of students from India who visit France for higher studies. All that shows that the people-to-people connect and contact is only growing over the period of time between India and France. That shows the relationship is strong in terms of strategic partnership and also in terms of people-to-people ties. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in France now for the bilateral component of his visit to France. He'll be coming to France once again after he goes to UAE and the Kingdom of Bahrain, because his second leg of his visit to France would be to attend the G7 summit in Biarritz in the capacity of a special invitee for the outreach session. He was extended this invitation by the President of France, Emmanuel Macron. The strategic partnership between India and France dates back to 2008. Since then, it's been around 11 years. And like our correspondent Shailendra was also telling us, that there is a lot of convergence insofar as global issues are concerned between India and France, because India and France were founding members of the International Solar Alliance. There was an ISA founding summit that was co-hosted by India and France in New Delhi. And on the issue of terrorism as well, France has been a steadfast supporter and partner of India, because when the issue came up of a global listing of Maulana Masood Azhar, the chief of JEM in the UN, then France played a key role in ensuring that the UN listed Masood Azhar as a terrorist. There were national actions also that France had taken against Masood Azhar. Masood Azhar was listed as a global terrorist by France earlier and later by the UN. In the context of the NSG also, there is consistent support that France has been giving to India, even trying to build support within the nuclear supplies group for India's membership. Time and again, France has reiterated that France supports India's bid for permanent